Na nababo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louis. Welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Creamcheese Milktea for sending us 10 of their best selling refreshments. Meron tayo dito mga premium milk tea which are a mix of cheesecake, creampuff, or mga salted cream cheese. We also have yung mga classic milk tea natin. And then we also have Yakult series, which is this one. And then meron din tayo dito mga fruit tea nila. So let's cut into the chase. Tikman na natin to, guys, kasi kanina pa ako uhaw na uhaw from the look of it, guys. They are really appetizing. Now, I want to start from their large cream cheese dark chocolate. It is a classic milk tea, a Nutella series, or a premium series. So first, I want to glide yung straw natin dun sa wall ng cup, just to get yung mga cream cheese natin na nakatikip dito. Okay, let's taste it. Wow. Now, I wanna tell you guys, yung lasa ng chocolate natin, it's actually really good. You got a mixture of saltiness, yung bitter ng chocolate, and at the same time, yung sweetness ng drink natin. You got a full mixture of that. Good. Isa pa sa mga large cup na pinadala nila sa atin, which is what they call large Nutella Milo. Grabe, look at that. I'm excited. Let's taste it. Alright, so let me give my recommendation. Actually, yung Milo natin, once you glide yung straw natin dun sa wall ng cup, you get a scoop of that Nutella and binuboost niya talaga yung flavor ng Milo. Plus, it has pearls. So good. I wanna move on dun sa kanilang ube cheesecake. Ayan, guys, who doesn't like ube? I don't know a person who doesn't like a ube. Again, this is a medium-sized cup for a cream cheese ube. It has that presence of cream cheese. Once you glide your straw dun sa wall natin, you get that really parang saltiness taste. And at the same time, meron tayong native plus really fruity na ube. Ang sarap! Ang sarap, guys. So, I wanna move on again to their mga premium dito. This is their special Oreo. Again, guys, take a look at this. You get that really classic Oreo taste, and at the same time, for me, medyo malakas yung tea base niya sa panlasa ko. And now this one is their large special cheesecake. So let me give a quick shake. Pop in our straw. Wow, all-in-one dessert. So you have your refreshment from the milk tea, plus very fulfilling na cheesecake. Nakakabusog siya actually. So I think this is gonna be my last, although meron pa tayong dito. This is matcha creampuff. We also have Okinawa creampuff, the taro, and then lastly meron tayong strawberry fruity, which is I'm gonna be giving to my daughter, kasi sabi niya kanina, "Daddy, natatakam na ako nung nakita niya to." Sabi ko, vlog muna natin. Anyway, so I'm gonna give that to my daughter. Now, I'm gonna taste yung kanilang green apple Yakult fruit tea series. So if you notice, guys, medyo meron tayo nagsettle dito na parang some sediments. This is actually the Yakult, trying to preserve it. Oh, wow. So refreshing. Alright, so once again, guys, thank you so much for being with me in this vlog. We would also want to thank Creamcheese Milktea. So this is actually a brand new home-based milk tea shop. They are located po sa Villa, Leoncia, Angeles City. They do deliveries and for pickup around Angeles City. What a great deal for a great refreshments such as this. So again, guys, kung natatakam po kayo ng milk tea, if you're craving for a milk tea, make sure to check out this. Let's show some support and love by going to their fan page and giving them a thumbs up or a follow. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga, guys. Until our next video, I hope to see you in the next one because I'm gonna be there. With that, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Till then, please keep safe and stay at home. God bless us all.